Okay, here we have a really nice old Seth Thomas Sonora chimes clock. In wonderful condition. Really, really nice. Got a little mark right there. A couple of little worn spots on the corner right here. Right here. Very minor. A little bit. Not too bad there. Look at the dial. Everything's in nice shape. A little bit of wear, but nothing bad. Okay, I want to show you what's inside this clock. A little bit of Seth Thomas label left there. Okay. Now you see the movement. They're nice and clean. A little bit of discoloration from something, but a long time ago. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make this strike the hour. Okay, that's what it does on the hour. Now here's the quarter after. Okay, and the half hour. And at 45 minutes. And this will be 4 o'clock. Okay. Runs great. Thank you.